In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an e-transfer using the Wise platform. For those new to Wise, previously known as TransferWise, it's a super handy service that allows you to move money across borders with ease and often with better rates and lower fees than many traditional banks. Today, we'll walk you through the steps needed to send money from your Wise account to someone's e-wallet. So, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open Wise. You might have the app on your phone, or you may prefer to use the web version. Either is fine, and the steps are fairly similar. Once you've got Wise up and ready, go ahead and log into your account. Remember to double-check your security credentials. Keeping your account safe is always a priority. Now, once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage where you can see all your account details laid out conveniently. You'll want to select the account that has the balance you plan to use for your transfer. It's crucial to make sure you have sufficient funds in that particular account to avoid any hiccups later. Once you have your account selected, look for the Send option and click on it. Now, Wise will prompt you to add a recipient for your transfer. This is where you'll input the details of the person or entity you're planning to send money to. Next, you will need to select the currency for the transfer. Make sure you choose the correct currency for your recipient's location and needs. You'll then be directed to choose the type of recipient. Wise gives you the flexibility to send money to yourself, someone else, a business, or even a charity. In our example, let's go ahead and select the option for someone else. This setting allows you to enter the recipient's information accurately. You'll need to enter their email address, their full name, and then select the correct wallet provider they use. Following this, you will input the recipient's e-wallet number, which is essential for routing the funds correctly. Don't forget to add the city they are based in, as sometimes this information can be quite necessary depending on the locale and the wallet provider's requirements. After you've carefully entered all these details, it's time to click on Confirm. Pay attention to the amount you wish to send. Enter this amount and do a thorough review of all the information you have inputted. Accuracy is key here, especially with financial transactions. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Confirm and Send. Wise will then prompt you to enter your password. This added step ensures that it is indeed you who is authorizing the transfer. Enter your password, and with that, your e-transfer will be on its way. And there you have it, an e-transfer via Wise, made simple and straightforward. Thanks for tuning in.